Right, hi guys. I bought myself a new microphone for me GoPro Hero 4 Silver. It's the Movo GM100. I don't do unboxings because it's a box, but this is what was in the box: a microphone adapter, and a lavalier mic. Now I'm currently recording on the internal mic, and just clip the microphone to my shirt. Now you should be hearing the difference already. Now I think it's great. It costs £12 off of Amazon. That's with the adapter. That's what the box looks like. That's the name of it. But now I've got the adapter, it also allows me to use this microphone. It's the Takstar. Now I've only ever used that before on the Canon 750D. That's what I bought it for. But that is a great mic, and that also works lovely on this. So for my regular subscribers, my channel is not really about GoPro equipment, but most of us are uploading videos now, as we'll know. There's another little bit of GoPro equipment that I've got, just a little stand. And a lot of people have been following me progress on something else, which I'm about to show you right now. Okay, I'm outside now, so you might be hearing birds singing. That's one of the conker trees, or horse chestnut trees if you want to be precise. The leaves are coming out on them, and this is the biggest one. Give you an idea of the size. That's probably 3 foot tall now. Now look what's happened in here. Just a week ago, these conkers, or horse chestnuts, were up to here, probably 10 inches tall now. The oak trees starting to bud up a little bit more. Got some leaves on that one. Just let you hear the ambient sound, birds singing, etc. And talking of birds, we've still got the dove. She's still doing really well.